Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you find and see your old stories on Facebook, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, and in a very easy and clear method as well. So follow up with me till the very end so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it. But first, since we're gonna be using your Facebook app on your mobile device, we need to get something out of the way first. Open your Play Store or App Store and make sure we have the Facebook app updated to the latest version. After that, you can finally quit the store. Let's go ahead and open Facebook. Make sure we are logged into your account, and then start by opening the menu. Tap right here in the top right corner. Here we are in your menu, guys. From here, you need to go ahead and tap right here on your profile name to open your profile, of course. And then here we go, we are in your profile. We need to tap on the three dots right next to edit profile right here. You'll be given all of these options. Choose this one that says archive. So tap on archive, wait for the page to load up, and from here you can tap on story archive in the top, and you should find every single story that you have ever posted right here. Now if you can't find it from your mobile app, I'll show you how can you even do it from your browser. So you can close the app if you have a problem there, and open your browser and go to facebook.com, and then from here tap in again in the top right corner to open your menu. Open your profile once again, and then tap again on the three dots right here. So it's basically similar to the one in the app. From this menu, tap on archive, and then you can tap on archive right here again. And again in the top, tap on story archive, and you should find all of your stories in this screen right here. And you will find every single story that you have ever posted on Facebook right here. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and see you in the next one, guys.